If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2017 Jeep Patriot High Altitude in Granite Crystal Pearl. With halogen headlamps, deep tint sunscreen glass, 17-inch granite painted pocket wheels, power heated mirrors with manual foldaway, bright exhaust tip, leather trimmed bucket seats, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.4-inch touchscreen display, park view rear backup camera, audio jack input for mobile device, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, rear 60/40 split fold and recline seating, power sunroof, flat load floor storage, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5403.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.